Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews. Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Waldschmidt, Chief Editor of Equipment World, and today we're here to talk about the Kubota SCL1000, the company's sole stand-on compact loader. Now you might hear other manufacturers refer to these machines as compact utility loaders or mini skid steers, but whatever it is you want to call them, these little loaders have been booming in popularity in recent years, and it's easy to see why. Stand-on loaders make light work of landscaping and construction tasks thanks to their compact footprint and compatibility with a wide range of attachments. Their hydraulic performance is only limited by their engine size, with most OEMs trying to stick around that 25 horsepower range to get as close as possible to those emission standards without needing the depth that comes with those bigger engines. Kubota released the SCL1000 in 2020, and since then it's grown to become the second highest selling model in the product category according to EDA. The company reached out to me earlier this year to see if I'd want to put it to the test on a couple of projects around my property, and that wasn't an offer I was about to turn down. Over the course of about 3 weeks, I used the machine for some land clearing and stump removal projects, but before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with some of the basics of the machine. The SCL1000 weighs in at 3,035 pounds with a 1,000-pound rated operating capacity at 35% tipping load. You'll notice that the larger than standard 9.8-inch rubber tracks give it a softer footprint, and I can attest that we experience very minimal ground damage while using this machine around our yard. But those wider tracks don't mean that the machine comes with a wider footprint. Kubota has kept this model to 36 inches to allow it to pass through gates. It's powered by a 24.8 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, which I found to be fairly quiet during operation, and it can travel at speeds up to 4.9 miles per hour. The vertical lift loader arms have a hinge pin height of 84.7 inches and a reach of 26 inches. Now, starting at the back with the operator station, the SCL1000 features a keyless, passcode-protected ignition with up to 40 unique operator codes that can be programmed. The T-drive handle steers the loader, while the pilot-controlled right-hand joystick controls the loader arm and bucket movements. Now, unlike some other brands that I've tried, this was very intuitive to use right off the bat and easy to control for a variety of tasks using different attachments. And even after using it for a couple of hours, I didn't experience any forearm or wrist fatigue. The auxiliary hydraulics can be easily activated with a button on the joystick, and continuous flow can be activated with a button on the display. The loader offers 15 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow for running a variety of attachments, and for added safety, engine RPMs must be at idle to unlock the hydraulics. Float mode was the only function that I didn't find quickly intuitive to operate. With the bucket on the ground, you need to push the joystick forward while pushing up the button on the side to turn it on. And while we could have used a larger, dedicated machine for the size and hardness of the stumps that we were taking out, the SCL1000, equipped with the SSG 2024 stump grinder attachment, still got the job done. Any work like this, you're just going to want to make sure that you're running at full RPMs and taking it at a nice, slow, steady pace. Now, where this machine did excel was for light material movement and grading tasks. We had large piles of debris to push back and underbrush in our woods to clear, and it made light work of that. I was also pleasantly surprised to see a digital display on this machine instead of gauges. It was easy to read in the sunlight, and on here you'll find all of your basic machine metrics as well as service indicator lights. Kubota also designed the machine with cushioned loader boom cylinders and an adjustable platform suspension system. These features made the machine very comfortable to stand on, though I did experience some fatigue after running it on and off for about 6 hours with that stump grinder. The platform is adjustable for operators of different sizes, and for added safety, Kubota installed pinch guards on the sides to protect operators' fingers. Kubota also gave this machine a great walk-behind mode feature if you need to quickly move it while working, or if you want to load it onto a trailer without standing on it. Looking under the hood, you'll find the hydraulic pump directly connected to the engine for reduced maintenance, as well as centralized filters and daily checkpoints. Everything is very compact in there to keep with that 36-inch width, and the Kubota rep told us because of that, they were not able to fit a telematics module in this machine. It is coming on a future iteration though. So overall, after running the machine for about 10 hours, I found the SCL1000 to be a handy little light machine if you've got a small acreage or you're working on tight urban or residential job sites. Compared to other similar machines that I've run, it had a smooth ride, good ergonomics, and that digital display really stood out. We're definitely gonna have a hard time giving it back as soon as this demo is over. So as we close out this video, I'd like to once again thank Kubota and our local dealer Lock & Equipment for the loan and the delivery of this machine. We hope this helps you on your job sites, and to stay up to date on all the latest construction news, technology, and trends, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. Just click the link below.